Good afternoon, teachers. So for today's agenda for our early dismissal day, from 1:30 until 3 o'clock, we'll be exclusively working on our PLC and our PLC process. So you remember the last couple of meetings that we have done, we pretty much have talked about the different processes of PLCs, the D100 handbook for PLCs, along with extensive talk about the ITS model. So what we'll be doing for today is really a couple of different things. On one side of the screen here, you can see topics for PLC. So you will have the ability to choose any topic for a PLC that you would wish. This is just some examples of some things that you could develop a PLC with. On the other side of the screen, you will see a blue link that has the PLC process, which outlines everything that we have talked about with PLCs in the last couple of staff meetings since August. The D100 handbook is a very important resource for you always to refer to. The three things I'd like you to kind of think about and remember is the team versus a PLC meeting. There are a variety of different templates on how to make agendas. And the first and foremost, once you get your PLC established, establish norms in your group. And then once you kind of have done that part of that process, there are, again, agenda templates that you can use, and you can use those templates to start to outline what your goals would be. However, we had talked about the 3 Ds of defining, designing, and deploy your PLC process. For today, what you're going to be working on is actually defining your PLC. What is your purpose of your PLC? And you'll probably get to just that part of it for today, and that is just fine. So, because on Friday will be a continuation of the PLC process. So Mrs. Deerdorf will be helping out, and we'll have all this linked into Pear Deck. So she'll be assisting with the process if you have any questions about PLC, the process of PLCs, or what topics that you might want to choose. But remember, the choice is yours. Just as like I tell the students, I'm empowering you to kind of control your PLC. Thank you, and have a great day at your PLC meeting.